Assalamu alaikum students. This is unit 13 of practice book grade 3 reading and understanding. Read page 114 and 115 of the language book again. Write the things that happened each day. Here they have given us the dates like Monday 21st April, Tuesday 22nd April, Wednesday 23rd April, Thursday 24th April, and Friday 25th April. They are asking what happened on these dates. Like number one is Mr. Brown came to visit. If you read the book, language book, page 114 and 15, you will see the dates there and what happened there. You will see the dates and you will also come to know what happened on those dates. So, number one, Mr. Brown came to visit. It happened on 23rd April, Wednesday, 23rd April. So you will write number one here because here is number one. Now you will read number two. Grandmother bought John some soldiers. This is number two. You will write number two. And when this happened? This happened on Monday 21st April. So you will write here number 2. Number 3. Millie and John saw a policeman in the street. If you see page number 115 on language book, you will come to know this happened on the last day, Friday 25th April. So write here number 3. Now number 4. Grandmother bought some flowers from the flower girl. This is number 4 and it happened on Thursday 24th April. If you look at the book, page number 115, you will find it there. So number 4 happened on 24th April. Now number 5. In the afternoon, Millie and John went to see Aunt Sarah. This is number 5. This is on page number 114 on language book. Number 5. So it happened on Tuesday 22nd April. So you will write here 5. Now number 6. The policeman said good morning to Millie and John. This is number 6. This happened on Friday 25th April. So you will write here 6. Now number 7. Number 7. Millie read some poems to Aunt Sarah. This happened on 22nd April, so you will write here 7. Number 8. Grandmother took Millie and John to the toy shop. It was the first day, 21st April, Monday, so you can write here 8. Number 9. Mr. Brown told Millie and John funny stories about India. This happened on 23rd of April, Wednesday. Write here 9. Number 10. Grandfather took Millie and John to the park. This happened on 24th April, Thursday. If you find the books, you will come to know. Now, page number 93 of practice book, unit 13. A personal pronoun takes the place of a person or thing. The policeman is tall. He is very smart. This he is equal to the policeman. This he refers to the policeman. Here are some personal pronouns like I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, they, them. Write what noun the pronoun in each sentence replaces. Number 1. Mr. Jolly owns the toy shop. He is very friendly. What does mean he? Here it refers to Mr. Jolly. This he represents Mr. Jolly. So we will write Mr. Jolly here. Number 2. Grandmother took me to the toy shop, Millie said. Millie is saying that grandmother took her. So this me is representing Millie. So we will write here Millie. Number 3. Grandmother went in the toy shop. She bought some toys. She is being used here for grandmother. So we will write here grandmother. We went to see Aunt Sarah, Millie and John said. We means Millie and John because they went to see Aunt Sarah. So we will write here Millie and John. Number 5. The children went to London. They stayed for a week. They. They is being used for the children. So we will write here children or the children. Number 6. The toy was very nice. It was red and blue. The toy. It. It is being used for toy. So we can say the toy. I like the flower girl, John said. I refers to John because he is saying John. Do you like London? John asked Millie. John is asking Millie means he's pointing to Millie. So you refers to Millie. Millie. Mr. Brown told us some stories, Millie and John said. Us means Millie and John. So we will write here Millie and John. Number 10. John saw the girl on Tuesday. John saw her again today. Her means the girl. The girl. This is page number 94. Question number 1. Complete the sentences with some or any. Some is used in positive sentences. Some is used in positive sentences and any is used in negative sentences and in questions. Like you can see here is not, can't, means there is not inside this. This is negative sentence. This is a question. So in negative sentences and in questions you will use any. But in positive sentences you will use some. Like this one is a positive sentence, we will use some. There are some fish in the pond. So we will write here some. I can't see any apple. Any apples on the tree. Have you got, this is a question, have you got any trees in your garden? The baker has not got. Here you can see not, so we will use any. I have got some money. Question number 2. There are some flowers in the vase. Number 2. There are some apples in the tree. There are some apples in the tree. There are some apples in the tree. Number 3. There is some bread on the board. It may be a tray or maybe kind of notebook or something like that. So we can write here board, no problem. Next question is make questions like the example. Have you got any money? There is money. Here are candies. So here we can write have you got any candies? Have you got any candies? Here is ice cream. Have you got any ice cream? You can write here have you got any ice cream? And the last question. Make negative sentences like the example. See, I can't see any birds. Here, I can't hear any music. And the last one, I can't see any gloves. This is page number 95 of practice book. Solve the clues. Write the words beginning with un. Un. Not happy means unhappy. Not happy means unhappy. Not true, untrue. You will just add un with true, it will become untrue. Not fair means unfair. Add un with fair. Not kind, unkind. Not well, unwell. Next question. Find 5 unwords. Find 5 unwords in the word search. Label the pictures. You can see pictures. Here is a word search. We will find the words, unwords, like this one. Unwrap, undo, untidy, unpack, uncover, so let's see. Unwrap. This one can be called unwrap, unwrap, undo. Here he is undoing his shoes. Untidy. This room is untidy, means it is not clean, it's not tidy. Unpack. This man is unpacking his luggage, so we can say it is unpack. uncover. She is uncovering the cage. Last question. Use these words in sentences of your own. Unfair. Don't be unfair to others. Unkind. Don't use unkind words. Don't use unkind words. Dear students, this is page number 96. This page says, this is Mr. Green. You can see in the picture. He is Aunt Sarah's gardener. Write the words in the box under the correct picture. Here are some words and you need to write under the correct picture. Let's see. Sunny. Here you can see sun. It is sunny day here. So you will write sunny under this picture. Number 2. Dripping wet. Because here is raining, so his dress is dripping wet. So write under this picture dripping wet. So this will be under picture number 1 and this will be under picture number 2. Here is happy. He seems happy in this picture, but he doesn't seem happy here, so write happy under this picture. Under this picture. Raining. Here it is raining, so write this word raining under second picture. Coat. He is wearing a coat right here under this picture. Cutting. He is cutting flowers here, right here under this picture. Not happy. He doesn't look happy here, so write under this picture not happy. Scissors. He is cutting with scissors right here. Flowers. He is cutting flowers under this picture, right? Flowers. Hat. He is wearing a hat here, right under this picture. Hat. Muddy. His shoes or boots are muddy. Boots. He is wearing boots. So right here. Digging. He is digging. And here is butterfly. Here you can see butterflies, so right here butterflies under this picture. I have written these words for you. You can see. Okay, now on page number 97 we are going to write the stories about these two pictures. The first picture is about Saturday 26th April and second picture is about Sunday 27th April. So we are going to write two stories about these two pictures. Let's have a look. I have written these stories for you and I will read it for you. They say here, write your diary, write about when you saw Mr. Green. It is about first picture, Saturday 26th April. I saw Mr. Green today. It was sunny. There were butterflies flying around. He was cutting flowers with scissors. He was happy. And now about the next picture. Sunday 27th April. I saw Mr. Green again today. It was raining. His coat and hat were dripping wet. His boots were muddy. He was digging. He was not happy.